how to instant deposit from bank on crypto.com, or how to instantly transfer money from your bank to crypto.com website or app. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Geek. In this video I will show you how to instantly transfer money from your bank to crypto.com, so you want to make sure to watch the video till the end. Now we have the instant deposit feature available. So to do this, first of all, you have to open the crypto.com app and then just tap on the option called transfer from the top of the screen. And once you tap on transfer, from the bottom, since this is a deposit, we're going to choose the option called deposit. And then after we do that, here just select fiat currency and then choose your fiat currency. If you don't see your currency, just tap on the option called set up a new currency. And then after you choose your currency, you'll be able to see the linking options based on that currency. So in this case, you can link your bank account or bank deposit or wire transfer, depending upon whatever option you actually choose. Just see the option called bank account or anything, and then here you'll find the option called deposit now. So just tap on deposit. And after you do that, enter the amount of the deposit that you want to make. And then after that, make sure to add your bank account by tapping on the add bank account option. And then here it says that it uses Plate to connect your account. Then just tap and continue. Select your bank, enter the credentials of your bank account and log in. Confirm the transactions, and once done, you'd have successfully deposited money from bank to crypto.com. And that's all it takes to instant deposit from bank. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you've got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.